For me, it gave me my drive to push. I wasn't gonna come. Sean called me and was like, hey, you need to be here. There's always a reason why things happen. You need to find a way to get here. This brought me to a place where I know that this is where I'm supposed to be, and how I can push from being the third person in my group. The highest salesperson in my dealership sold 30 cars. I'm number 3. How am I going to push to the next level? Being in this room is going to teach me how to be that next level, listening to everybody. I went from being a person that sold between 3 to 5 cars starting out to I sold 14 and a half last month. That was my biggest month I've ever done, my best commission. I beat my brother in commission. He sells cars too. He sold 33 cars last month. I sold 14 and a half and I made almost the same amount of money as he did. My biggest takeaways, of course, listening to Yana with TikTok and how I'm gonna actually stand out a little bit more, going into doing the Build a Brand, just all the different things I can do to stand out. Listening to you, Roy, yeah, it was about sales managers, but I took it as I need to be accountable and what I need to do for me so that way I can take it back and show everybody who I am. My name is Everly Nicole Applewhite for a reason, and I'm gonna stand out.
Do you like the content? Well, if you want more, then you need to sign up for Bradley On Demand, the world's best virtual training platform in the entire automotive industry. With some of the top speakers, salespeople, and trainers, and almost 7,000 training modules. You will sell more cars more often and more profitably. So sign up now at www.bradleyondemand.com.